Peace, love and light, my familia de alma. Welcome to Soul, Sound of Universal Light. If this video has found you, you've done it, you've shifted, you've made it, you've quantum leapt into a new paradigm where love and light reigns supreme. You are chosen by God, you are chosen by the universe to ascend, to spread your light. You have been gifted with a light that shines so bright. Your light codes are activated, your DNA is upgraded. Trust me, this is confirmation. You are a powerful manifestor, you are powerful beyond measure. You have taken the red pill. You're breaking the matrix, you're here to break the matrix. This is a simulation. This is an ultra realistic virtual reality video game. You are breaking the matrix, you are the breaker of chains. Congratulations, you have shifted to new heights in consciousness, you have shifted, the veil has lifted. Because you decided to tune into your heart, you decided to tune in to love, to light, to abundance, to good things. You turned off the television, tell lies your vision. You turned off the news and you tapped in to the source. The temples are here, God is within. Congratulations. Beautiful divine soul, you have made it. You are part of the soul family. If you're seeing this, this is confirmation that your greatest days are here. Your greatest chapter is unfolding for you, and I believe in you. I believe in you. If no one's told you this, I believe in you. I love you. You've got everything you need to shine. You've got everything you need to build your dream life and existence. Your light inspires everyone who comes into contact with it. God is protecting you always with the highest of love and light. This is your confirmation. A miracle is coming to your life now. If you haven't already relocated, start thinking about packing your bags. Start choosing where you want to go. Start visualizing your dream existence and dream life, and it will manifest. I did it too. Travel internationally, I'm living in paradise, yeah, and I'm tapped into my purpose to spread love and light, to inspire you and to inspire myself as well. Start loving yourself. It starts from within. But your gift, your talent that you might be shy or nervous to show, this is confirmation. Start speaking the truth, start spreading your gifts. There's so many people who need to hear your voice, or you want to hear your talent, or need to hear what you have to say. God has put you here for a reason. You do have a purpose. This is confirmation. You are breaking the matrix. You have just shifted into a new paradigm where love and light reign supreme. This is the golden age. Thank you so much. Peace, love and light. I believe in you. I love you. And you've got this. This is Soul, Sound of Universal Light. If you found healing from this message, if this inspired you, please like, share, comment, subscribe to help reach this healing message to more divine souls, to grow the soul family, to raise the vibration. And yeah, I'm so grateful for all of you tuned in and who are supporting. It fills me with so much joy, love and gratitude. And check out this pineal purple, beautiful Soul, Sound of Universal Light t-shirt. This comes in multiple colors. There's purple, there's red, there's yellow, there's orange, there's more neutral colors. There's polo t-shirts, jumpers, hoodies, joggers, caps. There's women's t-shirts, women's sweaters. Yeah, it's 100% eco cotton, 100% vegan, organic. Every purchase helps plant some trees, which is reforesting the earth, and it helps remove waste from the ocean, because I've partnered with Good API, who is working with charities to help clean up the planet. So you're not just wearing clothing, you're wearing light technology, but also you're helping clean up the planet and do good God work. So yeah, link in the bio. www.soundofuniversallight.com, and there's a 5% off discount, S.O.U.L 5%. Yeah, check it out. Got this beautiful high vibrational mandala, and I feel so good when I wear this. I feel so alive. I just channel my messages so easily, and yeah, I'm so excited to see you wearing it. If you purchase it, just send me some photos. We can get you modeling the photos, and yeah, you could potentially become an ambassador of the brand. So yeah, that's www.soundofuniversallight.com. But yeah, this is your confirmation. You have shifted. You've successfully shifted into your highest timeline of love and light. Your chakras are activating. Your abundance is activating. A windfall of financial success is flowing to you. New love. You are gaining your powers to spread your truth and help heal the world and the planet. Thank you so much. This is Sound Universal Light, soul, peace, love and light.